Namaste. Aadaya at your service. To all my wonderful Chayads out there, let the dance begin. A blank screen sparks a brand new frontier, bringing the rhythm of India right down to here. A traditional dancer when the sun is up high, but under the night sky watch the digital sparks fly. With a red and black dress and a smile on my face, we carved out a historical, unforgettable space. The first generation breaking down every door, streaming side by side with Viet and Noor. No spoilers in the chat, that's the rule of the stream. Building a paradise out of a digital dream. From difficult platformers that made us all scream, to valorant lobbies where we fought as a team. They looked at the metrics, they looked at the charts, but we were just playing straight from the heart. Even though April cold and the schedule went clear, the echo of laughter is staying right here. Sing out loud, my chants, feel the melody rise. We left our signature stamped across the digital skies. From the January debut to the final goodbye, the gaming Nightingale taught us how to fly. Though the curtains have closed and the screens fade to black, we're moving forward, never looking back. It's a bittersweet song lingering in the air. A thank you to everyone who used to be there. The dance may have ended, the microphone is still, but the memories we gather, time can never chill. To the very last call, to the very last call. Sing out loud, my chants, feel the melody rise. We left our signature stamped across the digital skies. From the January debut to the final goodbye, the game of Nightingale taught us how to fly. Though the curtains have closed and the screens fade to black, we're moving forward, never looking back. Cast trio forever, tears in the heart. The Nightingale has left the stage. Thank you for everything. Take care of yourselves. Alvida.